It's a 2012 Ford Explorer. Aptly named, handsomely appointed. When people talk about the beautiful scenery, they'll be talking about this Explorer too. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: automatic transmission, front heated leather bucket seats, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, auto-dimming rearview mirror, dual zone climate control, power heated mirrors, voice activation, aluminum wheels, doors and push-button start proximity key, and V6 engine. New car test drive rights. For many years, the Ford Explorer has been one of the best-selling SUVs in the market. A capable tow vehicle and off-roader, the Explorer also offers the generous interior space, comfort features, and safety technologies necessary for day-to-day tasks. Built on tradition, built to last. Ford. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today.
Flood Ford, we want to be the best dealer in Southern New England. Swing by and see us today at one of our convenient locations.